Papa? Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Maybe now, where are you going this early morning?
Papa, I was on phone with one of my friends and I told him everything about my 2 cars. And he said I should not worry, that he will help me recover them. So he asked me to come this morning with a sum of 50,000 naira. Yes. And as he stands now, I don't have such amount of money. Please, lend me that amount, please. I will pay you once I recover my dollars, please.
But Obina, you know your father don't have such money. I don't have. Where will I get 50,000 naira from?
But Papa, you told me last night that you are in possession of your meeting people money. Papa, now lend me some money there. I will pay you back with interest once I recover my dollars, please. Am I not your son? But trust me.
Okay. I've heard you, Obina.
Thank you, sir.
I'm coming.
Thank you, sir.
Take. This is 50,000 naira. Make sure you give it back to me as soon as you come back.
Oh, Papa, you complain too much. Why are you talking to me like this now? I hope it's complete, right?
Yes, it's complete.
Okay, good. Let me rush immediately. I will come back with quick news.
Okay.
Bye. Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
All right, sir.
Bye-bye.
All right, sir.
Go well.
All right, sir.
Bye-bye.
You see those boys? Those boys that stole your car and everything inside. Obi, my God will punish them.
God has started punishing them already. Because very soon they will be fetched out.
I trust you.
By then, I will recover every of my property.
Obimo.
With my cars.
Yeah.
You know, baby, guess what?
What?
I'm gonna give you one of the cars.
What?
Listen, I'm gonna change you, take you to your boutique, buy everything for you. I want you to look good for me.
Are you serious?
Oh yeah, baby.
Hey, you're saying I'm going to be a car owner?
Yeah, baby, just enjoy
I
yourself.
love you so much.
Well, I've changed everything about you. Trust me, you know what I can do.
Obi, Obainu. Those people that stole your car, they promise. We fire of them. Boom.
Amen.
Amen. Promise.
Amen. Why you share 2 bottles for him?
But how? How? You are here enjoying yourself. You are drinking and eating with this girl, and you did not bother to call me your best friend.
Ojuko, listen. You are a bad friend.
How?
Ojuko, I told you about my stolen cars. What did you do? You turned back and left. A good friend should at least support his friend with 100,000.
Obina, shut up. Shut up your mouth. Why will I see 100,000? How? In this village? Why are Why Ocha?
Remember my crew. Why Ocha? Remember my crew.
Obi.
Nah, you're greeting, sir.
I greet you, buddy. Thank you, man. You are good.
Please make yourself comfortable.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Why Ocha, please come and serve him, huh?
Why Ocha? Come on.
Baby. Please, get something for her.
Ojuku, good afternoon. No, Madoka, good afternoon.
You're looking prettier today. Oh.
Thank you. What do you want?
Do you have cold beer? Life.
Yes.
I need 2 bottles.
Okay. Okay, I'm coming. Let me get it for you.
Go! Why you say? Don't you have respect? You see, you have not asked it. Where should
Oh, I'm sorry. No, Madoka, what do you want? Don't mind me.
What do you have?
I have chicken, I have beef.
Bring everything. Yeah.
Why you say? Give him chicken, don't give me beef. That will not be between us. You see, enjoy your money. Good.
Just make sure you don't...
I'm coming. Obi.
Yeah, you want chicken, right?
Yes, I do.
Chicken or turkey? Why Ocha? Please, get her chicken, huh?
I think I would prefer turkey.
You prefer turkey?
Yeah.
Please get her turkey.
Obi.
The way
Don't hurry.
Oh.
Uncle, enjoy yourself, okay?
Anyway.
Enjoy you.
This is almost 5 p.m. and Obinna, my son, is not yet back. But he told me he will be coming back early. Huh? Why is he not here now? Madoka.
Philmond, my friend.
Madoka, you are welcome.
Thank you very much. How is your family?
We thank God. And your own family.
They are good. Very good.
Sit down.
Thank you very much. Your son really made my day today.
Obinna, my son.
Yes. I didn't know he's back. I saw him at Wanyocha's bar.
You mean Obinna? My own son, Mura Munafo.
He wanted to kill me with drinks. He was busy buying drinks for everybody. In fact, we all drank to super.
I don't understand. Are you talking about Obinna, my own son?
Are you not happy? It clearly shows that Obinna is doing well.
Maybe he has recovered the carton of dollar. What about the cars?
I am going. It's like you are not happy. He bought me some bottles.
Did you see his cars?
Don't ask me. I don't know. Does it look like he has it?
Obinna, my own son, buying drinks for everybody in the bar. What the way was? Obinna! Where is Obinna? Obinna! Obinna!
What is it? Why are you shouting my name as if I'm missing? Why are you disturbing me?
Obinna, I'm not disturbing you. For 2 days now, you have not told me the outcome of the place you went with the money I lent to you? You have not told me.
Papa, why are you disturbing me? Is it because of the 50,000 naira you lent to me? Is that why you're disturbing me? Do you know how much I lost? Papa, I lost over 200 million naira, and you are here disturbing me because of common 50,000 naira. Papa, is it because of my condition?
Obinna, you are walking away from me. Huh? You have not answered my question. Oh.
Papa, what do you want me to answer? Okay. I was told to come back next week. Are you okay now? Did you go okay now? Huh?
So, Obinna, you went to Wanyocha's bar. Where did you get the money you used in buying drinks at Wanyocha's bar? So you are doing saraka for people, buying drinks for people.
Papa, I can see you're becoming inquisitive. Yes! Hmm? Yes! How can you be asking a full grown-up man like me? Obinna, where did you get money from? Eh? Where did you get... I don't understand. Where is that one coming from, Papa? Hmm? Papa, is it because of my... You are insulting me. No, Papa, you are insulting me. You are insulting me, please. I'll give you the answer, but not today. What kind of insult is this? Is it because of my condition? Huh?
What is it? Huh? Where will I get this 50,000? Who will I run to? Eh? Hey! Oh.
I hear the voice of the
It shall not be well with Clement for what he did to us 5 years ago. He did that so that he can inherit everything my husband left behind. I lived in an uncompleted building with my daughter for 6 months. I cannot forget that experience in a hurry.
I heard the voice of the gods. I heard the voice of the spirits.
Chimo! Nemo! Hey! Nemo! Oh, Mommy, I missed you. I'm so happy for you. I missed you more.
Thank you. I am back. I am done. Finally.
Yes, I'm happy for you.
Thank you, Mama.
As if I knew you were coming back home. I prepared something delicious today.
And I wanted to surprise you.
Wow.
Oh, I cannot wait to eat.
Nemo!
Mama! Yeah, Mama, baby now. Hey!
Hey!
How?
Of the
Hey! I'm so happy she's back. God, I thank you. I thank you for bringing her back.
Thank you, Mama.
Welcome.
Yeah, hey babe. Yeah, what's going on? Of course, we have dates tonight. No, will you disappoint me or the one possible? Listen, I know the problem is money, so name your price. Whatever it is, you know I'm equal to the task. Right? No, say whatever you want, and I'll give it to you. Yeah? Hey babe, hold on, okay? I'll call you back. Alright?
So you went to my room again and took away my 500,000 naira.
Michael, I am asking you. Hey Dad, I had need. I needed to sort some bills, so I went in there. 500,000. Well, yeah, any problem about that?
If you want 500, I'm going to kill them. Are you out of your mind? How many times have I warned you to stay away from my room?
Listen, Dad, you will go one way. It's high time you stopped this shouting because I take your money. Medina kind of.
Hey! What did you just say? Jesus! Are you out of your mind? How dare you? I am giving you 24 hours to return my money. Else, you face my wrath. I've had enough of you in this house.
What is this now? Eh? Just because I took 500,000 I feed Piawama. Eh? If I take 500 million, it's a moon or on to Bianca's. Bobsy, you get money, and they are not going to stop till they chop your money. If you want to slap, just go and sharpen your hand because here am I the cool. I was there. I'm practice the Bianca on to 500,000. One die, just one die. Nah, man, I don't understand. You ever what I am.
Makifu adigomi, elu abukwalili, ndibisi echidime. They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir. Good afternoon, sir. Sir? 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 Sir?
Welcome. How are you?
Fine, sir.
When did you come back?
Yesterday, sir. Sir, are you alright?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm okay. Are you done with your youth service?
Yes, I am, sir.
Good. You can have a seat.
Thank you, sir. Mama, do you know that he did not notice me until I touched him? That was when he got himself.
Yeah. He was deep in thought.
No, not just deep in thoughts, Mama. It looks like that man has some problems. Some serious problems. And I noticed something very strange about him when I was talking to him.
He might be having issues.
I think he is. And I will find out. And I know that man is a nice man. Very nice.
You told me on phone that you're going to give me a big surprise. Get my surprise.
Mama, yes. In fact, this surprise, it is very big. Oh. Okay, let me give it to you. So, I got a job with an enviable salary. Hey, this God, this God.
A job? How come? You didn't tell me you were going for an interview.
I was also shocked, Mama. When he told me about it, I was shocked.
Who?
Chief Douglas. He gave me the post of a secretary in his company. I'm telling you. And he told me to start work immediately. Like with immediate effect.
This girl. I hope you're not trying to pull my legs.
I am not. I understand your shock. I'm also surprised that things are happening like this. Mama, you need to hear my salary. In the Anansi, you just start dancing here. I'm telling you.
God. A man I do not know. Doing all these things for me. God, please continue to protect and bless him for me.
Amen.
I'm sure you sent him to come and liberate my daughter and I.
Yes.
Please, don't let anything happen to him.
Amen.
Amen. Oh.
Amen. So Mama, I now have a job.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. I'ma be here, kinda yo.
I want the keys to Chief's office.
Good morning, sir. Please, who are you?
I see. You are the new secretary. Alright, my name is Mycon, the Icon, the Python. The only son of Chief Douglas. When you go to Bambenko. So, can I have the keys now?
The keys? I'm sorry, sir. I don't have the keys.
Come on, sweetheart. Careful. Why do you want us to play about now? At a time, there's no time. And in there, I don't have time. Yeah? Why do you wish to begin to peletum over the keys to the office of my father?
No. Honestly, sir,
I have the keys now. Okay. You want to dare me? Is that what you want to do?
I have the keys now.
Okay, sir.
That's why I go be.
But sir, I'm not supposed to give you this keys.
I know you are not supposed to. But did you hear me say this is Michael the Python, the Icon, the son of Chief Douglas? So did you hear me say that? Huh?
Yes, sir.
The keys.
I'm sorry, sir. I don't mean to throw them there.
Be careful. You warned. Next time, don't play with me. I'm just letting this pass. But on your lips, wow. I'm not even not like you. Otherwise, why are you DPD?
Makifu adigomi, helu abukwalili, nibisi echidime. They say what goes around will surely come.
Informer, where are you going to? I was talking to you. You ignored me. Where are you going to dress like this?
I don't get it. What is wrong with what I'm wearing? Janet, what is your problem? What is wrong with this? Please, do not insult yourself this morning.
Don't insult. How? Don't insult myself. How?
Janet, you slapped me.
Janet.
You slapped me.
Why did you slap her? Tell her to leave me now. Why did you slap her? Mama,
it's okay.
Tell her to leave me now. Tell her to leave me now. Just look at what Ifeoma wants to wear to go out. I asked her to go inside and change it.
What is your business?
She started insulting me. Am I her mate?
What is your business?
Ifeoma, Mechipugonwa. Janet here is your elder sister. Accord her some respect.
Mama.
Eh?
Mama, I don't like the way you talk to me in this house. I don't like the way you talk. You talk as if I am not your daughter.
And I don't like you always say. That is what you always say.
I'm not talking to you. You're not my mother. You're not Mama.
I don't blame you at all. I don't blame you one bit.
Mama, tell this your daughter. I don't care if she's my elder sister. Tell her to stay away from me in this house. Let her stay away from me. I don't have time for this. Stupid nonsense. You just be distracting somebody. Making me feel.
You allow her go with that dress.
Informer! You think you can oppress me with those two things on your chest?
Informer!
Informer, come back here! Informer! Informer, come back here! Mama, wait. See, I don't like the way you handle Informer in this house. I don't like it. And what is that supposed to mean? You're supposed to know what I'm saying. You know exactly what I'm saying, Mama. This girl is becoming something else. And you're just calling Informer. Hey! Janet! Janet, so you're walking out on me, eh? What? Eh, no, what? Umaka. Inform. Okay. Go and come back. Janet!
Okay, yeah, I just got it. Alright. Just be fast before the boss comes. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir. Let me go open the office.
No, it's okay. I can do it myself. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
I tell you, say this life gon' make you wonder. Many chapters we are here to open. Nakifu adigomini, elu abukwanili, nirisi echidime. They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap.
I want you in my office immediately. Make it snappy.
Sir, you called me, sir.
Someone broke into my office. Are you aware of that?
Yes, sir. No one broke into your office. It was your son, sir.
My son. He came here.
Yes, sir.
And you gave him my keys.
Sir, I was left with no choice. He almost attacked me.
He tampered with the money that I left here and made away with 700,000 naira.
I'm so sorry, sir.
What have I done to this boy? It's like he has realized I no longer keep money in my room. That's why he came here. What will he use the 700,000 naira for, if not women and drinks? Oh. My only son. You may go back to your office.
Thank you, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Over me, oh my God. Day and night, oh I kneel down and pray to you, Lord. Then I heard the voice. I heard the voice of the gods. Then I heard the voice.
Nne, you're still here.
Mama. Yes, I'm here.
What is it?
I think I finally found the reason Chief Douglas has not been himself.
What happened?
It's his son. The only child he has. That man has been a thorn in his flesh. A big thorn.
How did you know that?
He came to the office today, went straight into his father's office and made away with 700,000 naira cash. Cash, Mama, cash. He took it, fiam. He left.
What? Ah, that boy must be a prodigal child.
That's what it is. And Chief felt so bad today. He was really hurt.
Yeah.
I want to do something. What can I do to make this man stop feeling this way? I have to do something to correct that his son.
Hey.
What can I do?
What do you think you can do to a prodigal son?
Mama, he needs to stop hurting his father. The man is hurting.
Over me, oh my God. Day and night, oh I kneel down and pray to you, Lord.
Bibian. Bibian.
Sir?
Has my son come back?
No, sir. I'm waiting so once he comes back, I can open the door for him.
My con has not come back by this time. Where will he be?
Customer, the MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
His phones are switched off. What have I done to this boy?
Sir, don't worry, he will come back.
Come back by this time. It's almost 2 a.m.
I know it's really late.
Go to bed.
No, sir, don't worry. I will just wait. Once he comes back, I will open the door for him. Don't worry.
I said go to bed. He will not come back until morning.
Sir, I can stay. Let me wait for him.
Go to sleep.
Okay, sir. Good night.
I heard the voice of the gods.
What have I done to this boy? This attitude of his started when I lost my wife. I have warned him severally to change from this nonsense lifestyle, but he wouldn't listen.
Day and night, oh I kneel down and pray to you, Lord. Then I heard the voice.
Janet, ma? Yeah, yes, ma. Hello. Is your sister back?
I haven't seen her, and her phone is still switched off.
Where could she be since last night? And why would she sleep outside this house? Eh?
Mama, you talk as if you don't know your daughter. Mama, you are bothering yourself over nothing. Honestly.
She is my daughter. So I should be worried.
Okay. Go ahead and be worried. As for me, I will not. Because I know that certainly she went to see a man.
Okay. Don't talk like that. You are making an assumption. How did you know she went to sleep with a man? Eh? If one no money for us on our fear Janet. Eh? Oh!
Mama, this is not a matter of assumption. I'm not assuming anything. And this is what you do. You've started defending her again. And that is why she has been messing up in this house.
Janet. Don't start. Enano. Don't start your own trouble. Achoromia, I need peace. Biko, I'm Zonike.
Okay. I have said the truth. Call a spade, Mama. Call a spade a spade. If she comes back now, you will not rebuke her. And it's not good.
So, what would you have me do? To kill your own sister? Or a feature? You want me to kill her? Why am I alone? Eh?
Mama, all I'm saying is, talk to your daughter, talk to Ifeoma, tell her to desist from all this bad life she's living. She's living a bad life, you and I know that.
Please. What kind of nonsense is this one now? Biko Chineke.
How can this girl leave this house? You children will not kill me in this house, so. When I'm a because I did not kill my own mother. What sort of nonsense is this one?
They see what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap.
Bibia. Bibia.
Yes, sir.
Make sure you call me as soon as my son comes back.
Okay, sir.
And when you clean my room, ensure that you lock it up. What did I say?
I should ensure that I lock it up.
Please. Hello. Yes, this is Chief Douglas. Who am I speaking with, please? Yes. What? Central Police Station, you said? Okay. I will see you shortly. Thank you.
Sir, hope there's no problem.
Maikon was arrested last night at the nightclub.
Jesus Christ.
And I am needed at the police station now. Take care of the house.
Every day one person, eh? What is even wrong with this boy? Every day, from one problem to another, just stressing this old man. Stressing this old man. God forbid.
Make money, you eat money, you don't save money. Enjoy. I am the only son of Refinam. I am Michael, the icon, the python. See, when you walk on the road, you can slap someone and then mention my name. Michael, the icon, the python. What did I say? Michael, the icon, the python. Hello. Enjoy. Enjoy. Hey, babe, listen, I have money. I'm make a Pentecost and they go to the New Testament, not Old Testament. Hey, that is so boring. Listen, when you're back, you guys cannot afford a DJ. That's why you cannot play me a rock and roll for my girl to dance. Pour you. Pour you. Hey, babe. Whatever it is, we don't manage, right? So you dance for me, DJ. I got some money.
Oh, baby.
I know you can't smell my perfume, but you can smell my new money. Stand up and dance so I can show some love. You see your way they kill this Royce, this shake. You had that big apple. And I big apple. Some shake.
Yeah.
Shake. So hey, after tonight, I'm on my bed.
Oh.
Just continue shaking you up.
Baby.
Shake you.
Baby.
Shake you.
Baby.
Hey. Mess inside this chicken. Eat it like that. Hey, shake you. Move you. Okay, let me see you shake your boobs. Oh, spend my money. Spend my money for free. Okay, so just enjoy it, baby. You want this one?
Okay, baby. Baby. That's one.
This one?
Yeah, that's one.
Hey,
Oh my God.
yeah, this one.
This one.
Yeah, I consider you. easy. Take it bit by bit, right?
No.
On this one, you want to shake some more? And you have it.
I'll pay for you, baby.
Alright.
For you.
Alright.
Sir, you sent for me, sir.
I did?
Yes, sir, you did.
It must be a mistake. You can go.
Okay, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Hello? Yes? Yes? What? Where? Okay, thank you.
I hope there's no problem, sir.
It's my son. He was involved in a ghastly auto accident. I am needed at the hospital.
Oh my God.
Lock up my office in case I'm not making it back.
Yes, sir. Sir, your phone, sir.
Thank you.
Over me, oh my God. Day and night, oh I kneel down and pray to you, Lord. Then I heard the voice. I heard the voice of the gods. Then I heard the voice.
Mama.
Where are you going? I think it looks like a business.
Yes, Mama, it's food. I'm going to see Chief's son.
You're going to the hospital?
Yes, Mama. I won't be long.
Is Chief aware of this visit?
No, now, Mama. Chief doesn't have to know. Let me just go. I won't be long, okay?
Be careful, oh.
No problem, Mama. I'm coming.
Be careful.
I've heard, Mama. I won't be long.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap.
So how is he?
He's getting better.
Okay. Just eat something. You need food. Please.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Who sent you?
Nobody said. You've asked me this question before.
Hey, Bobby. Hello. How are you doing? Hi. I think I remember you from somewhere. Baby, who is she?
My father's secretary.
Oh, I see. Your father's secretary. What is she doing here?
Obviously, she came to see me.
I have been trying to make you eat. I don't know. Should I leave this and then come back for the flowers later? Or
what? You brought him food? Oh, what nonsense. Honey, you know I will never allow you to eat this. Tell her to go. I will go get you something nice to eat.
But I made this food myself.
I don't care who prepared it. I will not let him eat this.
I mean, it's harmless and it's good food for him.
I wasn't talking to you. I was talking to my man. Can you give us some privacy?
I just think you should eat. That's all, sir. It's harmless.
You know what? Just get up and leave. Get up and leave.
Sir.
Hello. Get out.
Let him eat.
Are you deaf? Go out with this. Just get out. Get lost.
Sir.
I have never been humiliated like this in my entire life. I am sure she's one of those girls he squanders his father's money on. She really, really insulted me. I think I should just mind my business.
Rita, when did you come back?
I just came back now.
Why did you return with the food? He rejected it.
Mama, his girlfriend. His girlfriend did.
His girlfriend? I don't understand.
I was there. The next time his girlfriend walked in, ordered meal to leave with the food, that he cannot eat it. He won't eat it at all, but I should carry the food down.
Why?
I don't know. I don't know. I have never been humiliated like this in my entire life. I even regret even going there in the first place. I don't even know why I went.
No, you do not have to regret anything. You did it because of Chief. Don't regret.
But I had known it to be like this. I wouldn't have even gone.
It's okay.
What kind of embarrassment is this?
Ozugo. Let me warm it so that we can eat.
You again? Huh?
What are you doing? You're smoking in a hospital room? Why?
Are you sounding like my late mother? Meanwhile, who sent you?
What do you mean, who sent me? Don't you even have pity on yourself? How can you be smoking in a hospital and in your present condition? Are you alright at all? Okay, I'm sorry about my harsh tone. I'm gonna try to tone it down, but I mean, this is annoying. Listen, don't you even have pity on your own self? First of all, God saved you from a terrible motor accident that could have just claimed your life. But He gave you a second chance. Aren't you grateful? Why don't you just start a new leaf? What about your father? Don't you have pity on that man? Do you want to kill him? Do you?
Wow. You know, as you were talking, I was wondering how beautiful you were. What's your name?
My name is Rita.
Rita. Nice.
Please, can you throw that cigarette away?
Hey. You realize who you're talking to? Mycon, the icon, the python.
Listen, I'm going to give you 10 counts. If you don't throw the cigarette away, I'll call the doctors on you. And you know this is actually against the rules.
Hey,
what do you mean?
Eh?
Don't touch it.
So long.
Sorry, it was the traffic. It was too much.
Terrible.
Don't forget to get the documents ready, because I would like to have them on my table in the next 1 hour.
Okay, sir, how do you... Sir, please, how is your son?
He has gone back to his normal lifestyle after being discharged from the hospital 3 days ago. What else will I do with him rather than give up on him?
No, sir, please. Please don't give up on him, sir. He's your only son, your only child.
It's okay, Lily.
What is it now? What is it? What is it? You are running away from me. Maybe now you are running away from me.
Leave me alone.
I'll not leave you. I'll not leave you. Give me the 50,000 I gave to you. Thief! Thief, you came back and lied to me. You came back here and lied to me. Obina, give me the money. I'll not leave you until I see the money.
Papa, leave me alone.
No, give me that money now.
Papa,
give me the money. Give me the money. I will not leave you. I will not until I see that money. Yes.
Papa, you know I have
thief. Onyori.
You know I have BP.
Ay!
Papa, my child.
Ay! Hey! Papa, BP. Ay! BP. Ay! Oh! Obina! Oh yeah, keep running. Keep running. Useless boy. I gave you money to go to the city. I almost sold all I have, or even the land I have, to send you to the city. You went there, lavished the money on women, and came back here empty-handed. Go and come back. Go and come back, Obina.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. I'ma be here, kinda yo. I'ma be here.
Michael, what is the meaning of this?
You want some peace? Huh? This is my normal routine, you know. I do this all day.
So you have gone back to your own ways. You have gone back to hard drugs. After all my effort to make you a better person in this community.
Hey, pal, this doesn't make me a bad person. Now, if I have sent you know, wow, declare and I feel like it doesn't kill dad.
Now listen to me, son. Just pray that this does not land you into any kind of trouble. I will be the last person on earth to come for your rescue.
You lie. You have money. Never a problem. I go to Tamkazu. Hello. Hi. Dad, come and have some peace. You want this here just say, man.
They say what goes around will surely come around. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. I'ma be here, kinda yo. 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 I tell you, say this life gon' make you wonder.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, how are you?
Fine, thank you, sir.
How was your night?
My night is fine, sir. Thank you, sir.
I've got some gift for you.
For me,
for
sir?
being such a wonderful secretary all this while.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my God. Thank you, sir. I really appreciate this, sir. Thank you.
I'll be in the office.
Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it. Wow. For being a wonderful secretary. Oh my God.
This is expensive. Wow, I love this. And this one too. My, this is amazing. Wow.
Sir. Sir.
What?
Sir, I've been knocking.
It's okay.
Sir, are you alright?
I'm fine.
Please, sir, if it's about your son, please stop worrying about him. Everything will be fine. See, sir, I promise you, I'll do everything within my human efforts to make him turn a new leaf.
What did you just say?
Sir, I said I will make your son turn a new leaf.
Rita, you don't know what you're talking about. Do you know how much I have sacrificed so far? Since he came back from abroad to make him a better person.
I can imagine, sir. Because I know you're a very caring father. A very responsible father. That's why I will do everything I can. So I promise you, I'm ready to face any kind of challenge just to restore your happiness, sir. Because you deserve it.
What are you saying? And how are you going to do it?
Mama, truly, I do not know how I am going to do it, but somehow I will do it. Mama, that man has restored our happiness. Eh?
I know.
I just feel like it's my duty to restore his own happiness too.
I hope you still remember that that boy is a drug addict.
I know.
There may be more about him that you don't know.
Mama, whatever it is, it's not going to be a barrier. Nothing will stop me. I have made up my mind to do this for Chief Douglas, and nothing will stop me until I achieve my aim. I will do it, Mama, no matter what it takes.
Well, I wish you well.
Thank you, Mama.
Come on, name your prize. Listen, I am the son of the billionaire, one of the richest men in this town. Yeah, of course. Now, what do you want? You want dollars? You want pounds, euros, and Makako naira? Let's just say what you want. It's okay. Alright, you know what? I'm surprised. Okay, so I'm gonna call you back. Somebody is at my door. Hello, who's there? What do you want?
Sir, somebody is here to see you.
Who's that?
I don't know her name, but it's a lady.
You're a fool. You are a fool. Say yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Someone came to look for me. You do not know the person's name, and you walked into my room to tell me that someone is looking for me. You are a compound fool. Run away! Run away. Idiots. Bomb come.
You the one looking for me?
Yes, sir, I am.
Okay.
Sir, I actually just came to see you. I want to have a word with you, sir, please. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me audience, sir. I appreciate it. Okay, so I came to talk to you about your father.
Hold on, my father sent you to me?
No, he did not. I came on my own.
Okay.
Sir, please. Sir, your father is hurting. You're hurting him. You're doing a lot to break his heart, and the man is going through a lot. Sir, please. If you're not careful, this man will commit suicide.
Hey! Watch your tongue. Watch your tongue.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry.
Hold on. Hyginus! Sir. Who gave you the guts to come into this compound and then open your mouth to talk about my whatever with my father?
No, sir. Please just listen to me, please. I beg you. I mean no harm. I mean no disrespect.
Hey, stand up!
Sir, please. I don't mean any disrespect.
Is everything okay with you? Are you okay?
Yes, sir. I am.
Like you walked into this place to tell me how to live my life?
No, sir. No.
Mycon, the python, the icon. Eh? Listen! Next time if I see you here next time. Now move!
Sir, please, can you
Are you still talking? Move!
Sir, please.
My friend, here, move! Here. This girl is my speckle. Hey, if I see this girl again here. Stupid boy. What's in this girl? You go tell me how to live my life, son of a big man.
That is what you
Say that. What are you doing here? Huh?
Nothing. I was just passing by.
The only place you see you're passing by is where I'm having fun. Huh?
Baby, is this not the girl that visited at the hospital?
Oh, you move. Let's see him up and down. So you can get better moon now, rolling. See.
I see. So what do you want from my man?
I'm sorry. Please excuse me.
Hey. Come back here. What do you want from my man?
Please excuse me.
Hey. Go back. Now you listen to me. The next time I see you just this close to him, you have me to contend with. And this is my last warning to you.
I was not even talking to you in the first place.
Now you can go, bitch.
Get out.